Mami call line so na me lawyer kese baako enim komo ye lawyer say Berima etwetwe enkomo na no pay radio 105.7 opani patro me checha o
ye ni DJ Slim what patro na boko there.
Oh, David lawyer una also come patro say
DJ Slim, you said the contribution that you've made to the music industry, especially people from Kumasi na, at least I said the DJ Seno, the mano. It's the four bossa na me paswa.
One we post cost rupa. One post cost was Musa ne ya ne humu a ya ne esuro kakra.
Oh, so bien. Juma na ye na. You have to also.
Montade na nkesi ehu. Montade ne ehu.
All the DJ Slim also turn mic next year. Because the DJ who also fan normal bebo.
Ene chane ni ade nyina say ya na eme mhihie kakra but ntimi nka. Okay, and I no pay ya ba so ya. Boko am say nsensema ekoso social media about to wiase about Black Sheriff and the management issue na enra is who say rate of summons be aba no krasi me sure say manfo bebrete and no pay munima de kro. There was also another sheet that was attached to it and it say some application for injunction. And so eka ho na ensensema na wachiri ne yenheda ntiase yi nti we dey why loye na nke na no pay nka uche be 3 minutes bia na nka uchirichiri mu kakra ma yetiase yi a se den sane ma na ehuhu na ekire sei
DJ unze before I me question no better me share artist contract mu kakra and I'm the lawyer for Amanda Bernard here but say artist contract now
fantastic.
To offer a contract, they manage the artists. The divisions in the mostly every artist or up and coming, I know one company management dada. A road manager. And Sana Obiaba as a financier or not is an investor or Dinisika a baby room. Now anytime an investor and not a financier comes into an ongoing management muna na you define roles ni you define one hour management and now work that no role they say because most of the old managers no only their content which you could keep it amount the more be na prepare mind to meet a certain criteria rhyme rhythm content but aside that taking it and making the content commercial to appeal to the people no and most people don't have that secondary eye for their artists. In the money, Janibama, or no land kata financier and say he's plugging in the money and also plugging in the network so that the content that you built are catching an eye as a marketer and as an investor. Means making your market to appeal to the people of most of the investment back. And we see the artist as a product. And so it is a role Obiabem say over the marketing money do a level everybody will be interested in buying the product so that the money that I've invested in would also I'll get some return on it.
Okay.
And see the contract nankasa it's not be brave. We define the roles. Old manager now what is your role? Road manager now now plug saba or plug interview so plug it TV, radio, commercial deals, what is your role? But the most important thing is sharing of funds. The sharing of funds are mostly for the contract that I've drafted. You divide them into four.
Okay.
We have the investor quota. The investor quota. Maybe 500,000 cities, maybe 100,000 about the share system. So that's a okubosho no 10,000. Maybe you say in room. Some of the investors prefer say I'll take 60% of the money. Yeah, the 20% bet which near the 20 ama artist na kasa. And only a going concern. Yeah, the two chain say if you are not artist you are behind time the cloth line, the Nyoma or academy studio building now. Let me taking 60 we are 40 na can you move 20 they are two actually. So they are say artist ne dance the mami yeska. And I say, what your money schedule? Your shame, man.
Okay.
Some contracts also prefer say then monthly allowance.
Okay.
Artists, we are you have access to our studio, we'll give you a monthly allowance. It could be our piano, and only it belongs to the record label.
Okay.
I say we are for Jum, and I say no company number for Jum. We come and show the Papa Baba day, and only a minica.
Okay.
One more show I meet you, and to Bush the money aspect also belongs to me. And the most of the say aside the quota system now, match 60-40, 30 million 70, 20, 10, it require 40, 60. It most of the okay, even though I've invested no, it's actually a long term in the next 2-3 years no. We are plugging it back into the business and projecting the artist more. So that in the next 4-5 years, our contract never then I'll recoup all my investment that I've done already in it.
Fantastic.
And then the contract also talked about departure clause. Masai Mabena, Masai Black Sheriff. So, will be there 3 years more per so far, and also will be per so betona. I the football, so the artist is just like any other art industry. Will be per so betona. What is the clause and edition say? See the pakone about the uniform, but the 100,000 they say ma. And then, the customer may be 2 Tiswa, Sinipakona in Tria, fan. You understand? And then there's also an intellectual property aspect in it. Artists now must sign on a certain or a product. So, on the deal be aside the music, where the one to have a sign is all my commercial, mommy. They no travel at all. About on your commercial deal, mommy. What are some of the clauses or editions that you cannot end the mainstream music? Additional music no. What are the clauses that needs to be in it? But the most important one is intellectual property law. Say if you are say on the portfolio too, I know say you've done this music business for you've been in the industry for quite a long time. Mostly content now more than Kazafi. In the whole time they are the DJs more than 200,000 CDs a shame. But all women who advise or connections or plug no, that also needs to be quantified.
Of course.
So that any 200,000 citizens are media shame. No more journal may they tell cheap. Content I may they brought a coyer content I may they brought a Obiatia on us with you. Also OTNB. But don't copy share DJs claim, don't my MC portfolio, may don't copy join group way with the feature amount. Those also needs to be quantified. No more an intellectual thing. That needs also be part of the contract. And the artist contract instead of an ordinary contract of commerce, I'll be in a class. You understand? And the natural women in the area. Now let's come to Black Coast issue. I know that Black was formerly under a management.
Yes.
And then one person came in as a financier. And I have not seen the contract which both parties signed. But at a point we all realized that there was some HSB we are breaching contract. No matter now comes to where say ideally no, if all these things I'm mentioning now was there a division of funds at artist no box show bar she cannot say no what is each but when you have the departure clause
okay,
what was the termination clauses in the agreement? Then a parties make a can say no maybe 500,000 show me, maybe 1 million cedis a show me. So 1 million cedis a media show me. So big back no babe our part. I wasn't performing there 5 million. And without that I'll see you for breach of contract. A part is in that here. As I said, I'm not privy to contract or contract,
okay.
And but I'll share the rate of sermons now, but now clearly a breach of contract. But I'll say on the quarter agreement or one label unknown to him no. He goes ahead to sign another record label with another person. And so to the financier, no, to him the contract hasn't been terminated. And once you are under my label, once you've not paid me the departure clause, no, activating, no, then you cannot leave. And I don't know the other partner here, Black one also, almost also because I'm yet to see the rates and the portfolio firm in here. And it is just a general overview. The kind of thing that goes into artist contract and the things which we should also see. But care should also be taken, say, mostly mostly when you sign artists and then they get to a certain level. Sometimes when you be or Ben or Matia, this is not to say that will be men or what, but generally it happens. Say 2-year boy and a 5-year boy. Say we pay. And as they go, the expectations, their obligations and expenses also increase. So at the point, one may want to also renegotiate the contract. One may also take a position. It happens with football players.
Yeah.
Now not a big money, but sometimes so the missing or book battle money and not own coach training. Some force out their deal out. You understand? And we know 2 issues are banning. Say one, there's a rate of 7. Bako the abate or no be a contract. Now while they are in the contract, Bako after another deal. And so injunction e kahono. Injunction na. Injunction no.
Because it's a lawyer in TSA injunction or say omoko court and sana you approve injunction na see I know cause injunction not take effect.
What's the date na court notice na so the date for the injunction no 9th May. But there's also another proposition of the law say injunction the main purpose na say adie bi ba bisi inti court no embrano na wa manen answer. You understand? It prevents an incident which is upcoming. Let's say
okay.
So there are 2 notions to this legal proposition. If you look at immediately, the people never say no. In so you be there until say court let them no normally determination. And maybe also so another notion is also say until the matter is heard, there's no injunction. And then there is a purely legal argument. You understand?
Okay.
But also there Shadrach, a jail who also one. Court no injunction as unprevented black sheriff, the agent may assign from performing at events. So until say a bit matter no, and it's a black kobo show baby. You open on. And I say or enter into any agreement with any person without say or back Shadrach no, because to him he has an agreement with sheriff. Now the next one so they say impossible sure he can't hear the Bambiano and it's a chiamo bia. I get a court no appointee a receiver, your court administrator say asemu edda adibi edi revenue generation ba court ni appointee receiver na ye diskana mano ye ka ni wia I can make up a task as na enipa mienu ana miensa na 9 senedia e wote he can be a yeje nemo ye ka ni wia ye wote ye demano no
near the mano.
And I say so what say ocean online streaming KTTR by any idea. She can be a crew from Biano. All funds that have accrued to the defendants from online streaming platforms and other revenue sources meaning so and also some court and preserve it. More or less like any different kind of move onto a cast and name. Oh, you understand? But it meaning until the court hears both arguments, no, we can't say it's effective. Okay. You understand? And what the little advice they say, the guy is a young chap. The guy is a brilliant young talent that has erupted the musical scene. I believe these things, no, there can be some kind of alternate dispute resolution, or one can sort out their differences without even letting it get to that point. And there's also an advice that Newman mentioned in the summary of artist management. If clearly and indeed it was drafted, taking all these things into consideration, they shouldn't have gotten this far.
Oh, okay. Open with a nano pay at ACP, but before our economy, person ye see depend a war assassin women. Meaning, say, whatever injunction be ana Shadrach pre se onensa ebekano. And see, I may know Cassady, a yantiki effect.
And then there are 2 schools of thought. To me, I think it hasn't taken any effect until the 9th May now. The court will hear the matter and give a final determination on it.
Okay. Now, say 7 previous as see is a branty and oil, I didn't say, or quack bushu be. And I say, or quack event be a Emrano Ekasen Elhom.
And the blue are the left of the advisor.
The Lord advisor. Sabranti, baby, I can't call in there. What was I can do?
I do the left advisor.
Openya na no pay da say enim say wo court na wo jim reka krabi ne edi nkomo ye ni agipa say
my opinion so anytime they are so am behind there no mama me fire it I'll gladly give an opinion.
Nice one. Lawyer Osei Berima and the twin nkomo oye amrado lawyer and Osai oye also lawyer na.
I'm a lawyer no personal lawyer.
You almost traveling tour for special lawyer.
Na say no we won say amrado say black sheriff for abotre. Nti me nima abotre. E say abotre no black sheriff amrado pay for me partner.
Abotre mama.
Abotre pa was say we there go.
It's lawyer say amrado ko pay for me abotre ne partner ko to the partner cry. Service consult bet me ni na ya.
No okay. I mean, and also some of there's other schools of thoughts on it. The music itself belongs to Amado.
Okay.
Black Sherry featured in it.
Oh, okay.
And unless it is a partnership deal where there's a quota that goes, but wholly own a song, regardless of somebody's voice on it, doesn't yes.
Opinion no pay dasi say oje break akadi edi nkomo ye dasi. Nice one. Lawyer Osei Berima ene twetwe nkomo ene wawa ni amai bata okan ya anu de ye say osi this shouldn't have gotten to this level. Asema na meka manugusu ameken baby adrin de abotre
ever Tim Westwood TV. You know we turn up the party, shut down the